Okay, so I got it off. Brand new car, was super easy. Again, it might be a little more harder if you have more miles on your card, but see that clip? Actually, when you grab it with pliers, it locks into place on its own, so it's kind of nice. You wiggle it back and forth, back it off, and then I couldn't get the hose free, so what I did is I used this. It's I guess it's a scriber, if I remember correctly, but it doesn't have a really sharp tip. You don't want to puncture the hose or scratch anything, so it's got a pretty, you can see it's like bent or flattened out anyway. So I just kind of put it right on the side of it and then twisted the factory valve until it came out. It was super easy. So now what I'm going to do is I got to get that factory gasket off there, because they say to remove this. This is that paper that's on there. Hopefully I can get it off without causing any damage to that surface. Let's see, actually it should pull right off. Damn near. Pretty new. Guess not. Gonna have to work it a little bit. Pull that off, and then you have to transfer this part of the factory valve to the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you the completed result. Looks like, wow, yeah, those are just Phillips bits. What the hell? Usually you don't see that on vehicles, especially for components like this. Usually it's like a hex or something. But anyway, yeah, I'll switch it over, and then you use the two taper head recess hex screws that come with it to, or no, I'm sorry, that goes on the intercooler, and then that goes on there. But yeah, I'll show, anyway, enough talking. I'll show you once I'm done.